Hey guys, so I'm back with another makeup video. It's been a really long time since I've done a makeup video, so I'm like, I really needed to get back on it. And I recently did a shoot that I packed for, which I thought might be helpful to show you. So finally another installment in my makeup artist series. So I recently this weekend did a very small photo shoot, one model, one look, and I packed my Zuca backpack for it, which is sitting right here, and I thought this would be good to show you how I packed it and how to condense your kit for smaller gigs. The reason why I packed my Zuca backpack was because the studio where I was shooting at is a farm that was converted into like an artist kind of complex. So there is like a lot of gravel terrain, there's no smooth areas to roll a train case, and there was a lot of stairs. So I knew I wasn't going to bring my heavy rolling train case. Instead, I was just going to wear my case on my back, which is why the Zuca backpack is really handy. And if I want to, I can always put this on top of the Zuca train case because it has straps that go over the handle. So I'll put a quick little clip of what the makeup ended up looking like if you guys are interested. But what I like about the Zuca backpack is it has all these compartments. Okay, so this is a long zipper compartment, and it's actually meant for hot tools and hair, but I use it to carry my tripod light. So this is the makeup light tripod. It fits in there along with the plug, okay? And I also stuck a fan in here because I always carry a fan, you know, if it gets hot and need a little air. But yeah, it's really convenient because I don't have to like drag my light separately. I can keep it all in here. But it's meant, this is actually meant for like curling irons and flat irons. That's why it's so long on the side pocket. There's another little mesh thing right here, a pocket where I just keep an extra cape. So right here I have just like something that will fit in there, and these happen to be makeup wipes and like hand cleaning wipes. So I put them right at the top where I can access them easy. Anything you can fit in these side pockets, I would put tissues there, anything that I need to grab quickly. In here I just have paper towels, tissues, and a little bottle of water. Always bring water and snacks on a shoot with you just in case you're gonna need a drink or are hungry, you don't want to pass out, you know. Okay, so in this main compartment is where all the makeup is. Open this up, and the great thing about Zucas is that they always just kind of open from a flap. You don't have to lay this on the ground and flip it over. Okay, so it has all these little pockets right here. And I don't have anything in here, but you know, I kind of pack it as needed, but you could fit all sorts of things on here. I have little hair clips on these little elastic straps. Now down in this packet, I actually just have a little touch-up makeup bag, and it has like wipes, sponges, Q-tips, eyelash glue, so if I need to touch up and take this on location, I can, as well as business cards. So, but you can fit a lot here, I just didn't. Okay, so let's talk about the main compartment. So, what I like to do is I always carry extra little bags for my dirty brushes. So this is the dirty bags from the brushes from the shoot. Then I have my brushes in my Sedona lace zipper train case. Not my Sedona lace zipper brush belt, which I designed for them years ago. So as you can see, it's really convenient. Your brushes don't fall out. The zipper is what makes it essential. So this is also on the top. Then I always take a black towel with me, and I put my makeup on top of it. I use this to clean brushes to prevent the workspace from getting dirty. But I have my makeup light right here. So this goes with the tripod and the cord, and it's so small, and that's why I carry a makeup light, really for the travel convenience out of it. I've tried Glamcore, I have a ring light here at home, but the makeup light to me is the most convenient. Alright, now I have my Zuca pouches. I have 3 that fit in here. So I just tried to pack these smart, and I just packed what I need essentially for that model. So a couple of things are in here. This is my little Ziploc bag, which has my essentials: eyelash glue, scissors, eye primer, tweezers, like stuff that I use on every single gig. I just kind of keep it packed. In this little pouch I have the lip colors and pencils I use for that specific model. I have my View Set lash case just in case I wasn't sure which lashes I wanted to use. Then I just have some lip palettes. This is from Visart and Anastasia. And then my go-to palette. This is from Double Up Beauty and it fits like this. I love this thing. I always get compliments on that from other artists. Okay, lift that back up. In this one, I have all my face stuff. Okay, so it helps to kind of, you know, have a nice wide range that you can bring. So she was an African American, darker skin tone, so I have in here little mini foundations and shimmers. These Samira foundations I end up using were amazing on her. So I have a couple of those, a couple of Makeup Forever color adjusters. I also have a couple of depotted Makeup Forever HD foundations. I didn't use these, but they come in small little, I deposit them these small little containers because they're more transportable. My dark Graftobian 5-pan palette. Eve Pearl Salmon Concealer Trio. Brow powders from Anastasia. This is my Makeup Forever stack of different translucent powders. I have my Graftobian Warm Super Cream palette as well as a Global Corrector palette. And lastly, I customized this Z palette for the model because I knew these are the colors I would probably use on her. So eyes and face are in here. And the last one is kind of like skincare and like tools. So inside here, I put like, I wasn't sure what her skin type would be, so I put like kind of my essential go-to skincare stuff. Of course, you have to have alcohol, Q-tips, hand sanitizer. I have some cleansing wipes, Sima Secrets brush spray, It Cosmetics micellar water, some facial oil. I use that to thin out the foundation. Aquaphor for lips, Embryolisse Soleil Creme Concentrate Moisturizer, Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist, Mario Badescu Herbal Hydrating Serum. This wasn't supposed to go in here, but it's just clear lash glue, or clear mascara. Tissues, Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector, Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. This is Rose Water and a Matte Fix Plus Mini Spray. Urban Decay All Nighter, Smashbox Lip Scrub, and then a little puff, a finger puff. So those are the skincares I use. I only ended up using a few of them, but I just wanted to be prepared. They doesn't take up too much room. Yeah, and that's it. So that's how I packed my mobile, like more smaller train case to go. I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions about any of these specific products or how I packed them, let me know. I'll try to put some links below to help you guys out. But yeah, I hope you guys found this helpful. And until next time, I hope you guys have a great night. Ciao, Bellas.